Hi all, in this video we'll try to understand Rohini nakshatra. So Rohini nakshatra is a moon based nakshatra, means the planetary lord of this particular nakshatra is moon. So any moon based nakshatra, you take Rohini, Hasta or Shravana, they all occupy the central part of an earthy sign. Like Rohini occupies the central part of Taurus, and Hasta occupies the central part of Virgo, another earthy sign, and then Shravana occupies the central part of Capricorn, which is another highly the peak of the earthy sign, right? So any kind of moon based nakshatra generally occupies the central part of an earthy sign. Earthy signs are very practical in nature, like Taurus, Virgo, and then Capricorn. These are all, fundamentally they are very much practical. They're earthy signs, right? Now if you observe Rohini nakshatra, it occupies the 10 degrees of Taurus to 23 degree 20 minutes of Taurus sign. So that is a central part of the sign Taurus. Now Rohini, it's the fundamental. See, the first moon based nakshatra is Rohini, the second moon based nakshatra is Hasta, and then the third moon based nakshatra is Shravana. So Shravana has more moon's energy, more lunar energy. So in Vedic astrology we say that Rohini is the seed of lunar energy, the seed of moon's energy, whereas the flower energy, the flowering of lunar energy, the flowering of moon's energy is Hasta, and whereas the fruit of lunar energy or the fruit of moon's energy is Shravana, basically. So Rohini, the seed of lunar energy, is actually represented in the sky by a very bright pale rose star, right? It's very much important here. Just observe the energy of Rohini nakshatra. It's a very bright, at the same time pale rose star, right? It looks very beautiful. By appearance itself, Rohini is very much beautiful. So this star is basically this particular Rohini nakshatra. It is represented by a very bright pale rose star, a single star as a very bright star, a pale rose star, right? So just imagine it's a single star, and our ancient sages gave so much of importance to this particular single star. Every nakshatra consists of some group of stars, right? Something like some nakshatras may consist of 3 stars, some may consist of 4 stars, right? Every nakshatra consists of so many stars, but here Rohini nakshatra consists of a single star. That is the point to be noted here. So this particular star is we generally call in the modern astronomy as Alpha Tauri, right? So Alpha Tauri we say, and some people also say it as Aldebaran, right? So Aldebaran is the brightest star, you can say. So the visual magnitude is 0.99. So visual magnitude and brightness, they have inverse relationship, means if brightness is more, then visual magnitude is less, or you can say visual magnitude is more, the brightness is lesser. They have an inverse relationship, brightness and visual magnitude. And just imagine the visual magnitude of 0.99 of this particular single star, how much brightness it can have, so much of brightness, right? So in fact you can say this particular unique pale rose star can even be spotted in the evening sky, right? In the evening sky you can easily spot it if you are in a countryside. If you are in a countryside where you don't have any kind of lights on the roads and everything, right? So from the countryside you can really spot this particular nakshatra, that is Rohini nakshatra, that single bright star, Aldebaran you say, Alpha Tauri or Aldebaran. Those are the different names, people generally give to that single bright rose, pale rose star, you can say, right? So the ancient Vedic sages, they had a lot of respect on this particular single nakshatra. It's a very bright nakshatra, so they had a lot of respect on this particular nakshatra, and they used to consider this particular nakshatra as the abode of Brahma, abode of Prajapatis, basically. Very auspicious. They used to feel this particular Rohini nakshatra is very, very auspicious. So that's about the structure of Rohini nakshatra. Thanks for watching this video.